everyone, how are you today? In this occasion, please let me introduce myself. My name is Ngesti Junita Sabatin. I was born in 5th June 2001. I came from Kebumen, but now I live in Cimahi. And I was student at Stembi Bandung Business School. My address is on Jalan Ranca Bentang, number 67, Cimahi, West Java. I really like to dancing, watching K-drama, and listening to music. And my most favorite day is Sunday, because that days I can be free to do what I love. Normally, I used to spend my days off cleaning houses, watching Korean drama, and sitting around idly. I think that's enough about my introduction. Thank you. Daily life as a student. This is my entire life as a student at Stembi Bandung Business School. There are many activities I have to do before online college begin. I usually wake up at 4:30 a.m. I need to prepare myself to pray and take a shower. Then I prepare some books based on schedule. I don't want any trouble when class starts. My first class begins at 7 a.m. I'm enjoying the class until it's over. At 11:30 a.m. I have lunch with my family. After lunch, I have to pray and take a nap for about 15 minutes. At 1:15 p.m., I was doing my homework while I was watching TV. At 4 p.m., I'm taking a rest and then relax while I check my phone. The next class begin at 7 p.m. and over at 9 p.m. And at 9:30 p.m., I wash my face and prepare the bed for sleep. Personally, the things I want to do when my free time is dance. Because dancing is my hobby. I want to spend my time just practicing to dancing. When I was in high school, I have been a dance organization and I was selected to be a president of organization. I even did a lot of dancing performance both by school and off school events. I wish I could to go back to that day where I could dance to the full. Hometown was in Central Java, which was in the Gombong district, Kebumen. My grandmother's house was so far from the city. It was beautiful and it had many green and near the beach. When I returned to my grandmother's house every Eid Mubarak, I want to visit that place there. That is, I want to visit the Subuk beach in Gombong. Just a short distance from my grandmother's house, only about 2 kilometers away. I want to visit that place just to healing by looking at ocean waves and sunset.